Hello everyone, this is Imran Emu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this WooCommerce tutorial video, I'll show you how to use coupons in your WooCommerce website. Okay, here you can see the cart page of a WooCommerce website, and sometimes you might offer your customers a discount coupon or any kind of gift card to use on the card. So I'll show you how to generate coupon code and use here on the card. Well, here I'm on the dashboard of my WooCommerce based e-commerce website, and on the left sidebar you can see WooCommerce menu, and there are some other sub menus, and you can see coupons menu. If you don't see this coupon sub menu, just come to this settings menu and click on it, and here goes the WooCommerce setting options panel, and just under this general setting tab, just scroll down and you will find enable coupons option. You might find it unchecked, but check this box to enable coupons and scroll down again and hit this save changes button. Now you will see coupon submenu under WooCommerce menu. Okay, now hit this coupons menu, and here goes the coupons section, and if you want to create any new coupon, just hit this add new coupon button. Here goes the new coupon adding option areas. First of all, you will name the coupon or coupon code here, a short description and some other basic settings. First of all, I'm just going to use this code, coupon code, and a short description, special offer. Okay, now come here under general tab section and you will find discount type. Okay, it offers three different types of coupons: percentage coupon, fixed card discount, fixed product discount. Okay, I'll start with percentage discount, then later I'll discuss about fixed product discount. So just I'm going to choose percentage discount, and it will just reduce the price of any product by percentage. Okay, just I'm going to hit this shop page. It will in generally decrease the price of the product by a special percent. Okay, the coupon amount I'm just going to put 20%. Okay, then the actual price of this product is $35, and it will reduce 20% from this price. Okay, offer free shipping. If anyone use this coupon code, he or she will get free shipping. Okay, then coupon expiry date, just how long the coupon will be valid. Just 2 days, for 2 days. Now this tab is complete with percentage discount. I'm just going to hit this usage restriction. Okay, minimum spend. You can apply any condition to your customer that if you spend minimum $10 or $20, then you will get this coupon valid for you. And maximum spend, sometimes you may not want that this coupon will be applicable for a huge amount of sales, like $1,000. Individual use only. If you check this, then the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. At the same time, you might offer various types of coupons, but if you check this, then this coupon won't work with other coupons. Exclude sales items. Okay, sometimes already you might offer any discount on any price, and that's on sale, and if you don't want to this coupon be applicable to any sales item, then check this box. Well, products, and here you can search for any product that will be applicable for this coupon if you don't want to apply this coupon for all products. I think you can just type the name of product, like chair, and you can see many chairs product or shoes. That means this discount code or coupon code will be applicable for the specific products I'm going to add here. Okay. Exclude products. You can exclude any product. Then say for example you just remove this, but you can exclude product, this shoe too. You don't want to allow discount code for this product. I'm just going to take this and search here. Here goes it, and this coupon won't be applicable for it. And you can also offer coupon for any special category of product, chair, fashion, smartphone, sunglasses, whatever. And exclude category. I think I don't want to offer this coupon for a smartphone category. Okay. And allowed emails. Well, you can allow any email here that won't be restricted to use this coupon code. I'm just going to type an email address, like the third option, uses limit per coupon. You can just define any, and you can define how many times this coupon can be applied by any individual user. I think 10 times. Limit uses to X items. It will limit the uses of any coupon to any specific product. Say for example, chair 4. How many times can a customer use coupon code to purchase this chair? But I think only one time. Uses limit per user. How many times this coupon will be used by an individual customer? 10 times. You can just change the value according to your choice. Okay. I think that was all about this Black Friday 18 coupon code. I'm just going to publish it. Now I'm just going to apply here and hit apply coupon button. And you see the coupon code reduced $7 from the actual price. Now the total price is 28. Well, now edit this coupon, come again, hit this coupons option, and you will find the coupon here. Hit this edit button and change the coupon type to fixed card discount, and amount $20. Amount, I'm just going to offer discount for $10 and save changes. Now again I'm just going to remove this coupon. Now you see the price is 35, and the apply coupon again. This time it reduced a fixed amount of money from the actual price. Now the price is 25. So it was fixed card discount. Okay. And another discount type is fixed product discount. It can be used for any special product. Okay. Then search for a product, shoe 2. Okay, now I would like to work with fixed product discount, and I'm just going to go to the uses restriction and search for a product, and this discount will apply for only this product. Hit update. Okay, now just I'm going to remove it, apply the coupon code again, you see the coupon code wasn't applicable to this product. Now I'm just going to add this product to the cart and view card. Now you see the total price is $70. I'm just going to use this coupon code and it reduced $10. So this coupon code just worked for only this product. If I remove this product from the list and it says sorry, it seems that coupon Black Friday 18 is invalid. Okay, now the price is 35. Okay, I hope you could understand the difference between these three different types of coupon codes, and that was all about how to use coupons on WooCommerce. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel.